Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. So I hope you enjoyed this Batgirl makeup tutorial today, and please go ahead and also check out my previous 3 easy Halloween makeup tutorials that I did a couple weeks ago. I will leave that link in the description box below. So yeah, everything here is pretty much affordable that I got. This shirt is from Walmart. It kind of has the scary bats on there. It's like a purple, white, black, and yellow, orange color. And then the earrings, it comes with like a choker and a headband with the, the bat. Looks like this, you guys. So I put the earrings on. It's purple and black. You can see it. Let me go ahead and show you. Oops, that's the back side. If you want to see how this look will turn out, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with MAC's foundation here, and I am using the color NC30. And you guys don't mind all my blemishes right now. It is that time. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. And I have already prepped and moisturized, washed and prepped my face. So once you have your foundation all properly put on and blended, just take like an eyeliner, and you're going to go ahead and with kind of a sharp point to it, you're going to just mark where you're going to draw. You can freehand it, of course. I've done the freehand in the past, but just to show you, like this would be the tip of his ears. Okay. This would be the tip of the wing on the top. The lower wing, the middle, and then right here where you want the point of the wing to be. So go ahead and match it up. So once you have the dots in place, go ahead and connect it. Okay, now you want to go ahead and carve out the eye part. Once you get the shape that you like, you can go ahead and touch it up. You can make one side longer or pointier or whatever you need to do to touch it up. After you fix that, go ahead and just fill it in. Okay, so I went ahead and filled in the mask, and if you guys, you know, just have patience, take time. Once you draw those key dots, like for the ears and for the wings, right here, and for the tip of the nose, it's a helpful guide for you. You can also use a pointy eyeliner like this to sharpen the edges. That's what I did to kind of sharpen the edges. So I filled it in with just some eyeliner. I can't find my my jumbo black eyeliner, so it kind of took time for me to fill it in with a regular eyeliner. But if you have the jumbo eyeliner, go ahead and use that. So if you have one of these felt tip eyeliners, go ahead and use that to kind of define the edges, the points. Just use any purple eyeshadow you have on hand, and with a flat eyeshadow brush, go ahead and put some on there. And just pack this onto the lid. So I'm also going to take this number 25 Wild Gold Color Tattoo by Maybelline, and I am just going to touch the inner lid, the inner half, and I'm just going to pat this on lightly. Time for lipstick, guys. So we are going to do black, purple, and gold. The final look, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to our channel. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. Also, check out my second channel under Liz Nazario TV for fun comedy type skits. Yeah, so I hope all of you have a wonderful Halloween. Stay safe out there and enjoy. And I hope you found this quick tutorial really helpful. And if you are going to be a Batgirl out there, then have fun. And maybe this tutorial helped you in some way for your next Batgirl makeup look.